Dr. Lin, I'm really excited about the demonstration we're about to do. One of the #1 questions people ask, am I doing everything I could to promote my own health? A great place to get started is with an antioxidant, in particular a comprehensive antioxidant like Isotonix OPC-3. So to get this demonstration started, you've asked me to put my hand in a glass of water. Okay, from here, what happens next?
So we're going to test out the water to see how much chlorines are in the water, because a lot of homes do not have any filtration or whatnot, and we do take hot showers or go to the pool during the summer. So this is a great way to test your water if there's any chlorine. The higher the chlorine, the more free radicals there are, right? So what I'm going to do is add 5 drops into the water. Or you can add more if you want. Okay. And I'm gonna stir it up. If the water turns yellow, you know how much chlorine's in the water. The darker it is, the more chlorine.
And you had mentioned that things like pools and hot tubs, we know those are chlorinated, and we know that they're highly concentrated with chlorine. But we also know that not all of our homes, as you mentioned, have those full house filtration systems. So think about your showers, your hot baths, right? This is where our pores are opening up, and that also means our potential to absorb the chlorine or chemicals that are in our water, the potential for that goes up as well.
Correct. So Dr. D, let's test your water.
Okay, here we go. I think I know where this is going. Right? I think there's a high potential that I absorbed that chlorine.
Right. So I actually put 5 drops, same amount that I did with the other one, and we're going to test it out and see how much chlorine did Dr. D absorb into her body.
By the looks of it, better than 75% of the chlorine was probably absorbed through my skin in just under a minute of being in that glass of water. What's our next step, Dr. Lin?
Our next step is we're gonna have you take Isotonix, right? Just sprinkle a little bit how powerful this OPC-3 is in the water and what it does to your body. Okay. You just only need a pinch.
Yeah, that's not very much at all.
And I'm gonna swirl it. Hopefully you can see the water's getting clearer and it's doing its job.
Now, in doing this demonstration, Dr. Lin, it's important not to use too much OPC-3 because then you're going to take those natural pigments that are a part of the pycnogenol, part of the comprehensive antioxidant, and it will start to turn the water purple. So it's a small amount, less than you would take if you were using OPC-3 on a daily basis. And you can see already that we're starting to neutralize the color within this glass. That's the power of pycnogenol. Now, pycnogenol is available in multiple products. We have it in an OPC-3 formula for children. We have it in an athletic product called Peak Performance. There's multiple ways that you can get pycnogenol and antioxidants powerful like Isotonix OPC-3. Another easy way for you to share not just the power of Isotonix, but the power of supplementation on a daily basis is with the Isotonix Daily Essentials in the trial size marketing packets. Simply share these with customers so that they can have firsthand experience of a superior antioxidant.